about that landing? Pretty good for its first one. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Southwest Airlines and especially this flight crew, it's our pleasure to welcome you to San Juan. I'm sure he'll get me back for that one. Please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, your tray tables and seat backs in the full upright and locked position, and all of your carry-on items completely under the seat in front of you. When our captain does turn off the fasten seatbelt sign, please use caution when opening overhead bins. Items do tend to shift during the flight. They could fall out. And we don't really want to do any unnecessary paperwork today, so please help us out in that regard. This is the termination of this flight number, so check around your seating areas for any and all personal belongings that you may have brought on board with you. If you do choose to leave something, please make certain it's of significant value and divisible by 3. It certainly has been your pleasure having the 3 of us on board. We know there are a couple of choices left out there in air travel. We do appreciate you choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Apologize for running just a little bit behind today, but it certainly is better than a big behind. Welcome to San Juan.